Hi everyone, it's week 10 in our Quilted Block series, and this is our 4x4 hoop-sized design. Can you believe we're on week 10? I'm getting so excited about being able to share with you the tutorial that I'm preparing for you on how I take and place all of my blocks together. So be sure to be watching for that tutorial. It will be coming soon after we finish up our complete series. You can head over to my website to download this week's free design. I'll link my website down in the description, and I'll also link another tutorial that you can watch just in case you need a refresher course on how to place this block together. Enjoy!